morning and welcome to Eagles Nest Live for your AHS Morning News. Hello, I'm Macy.
Hello, I'm Logan.
Hello, I'm Allie.
And I'm Courtney, and we're here to provide you with the news for today, Tuesday, September 15th.
Last Thursday night, the Apollo boys soccer team beat Owensboro Catholic 1-0 in a penalty kick shootout. Congratulations, boys.
Last Saturday, the Apollo volleyball team beat Henderson County 3-1. Congratulations, girls.
Seniors, the KWC Admission Counselor's virtual Google Meet and Greet session is today, Tuesday, September 15th, from 11:30 to 12. For those of you who are interested but cannot attend, the session will be recorded and posted on the Apollo Class of 2021 Google Classroom, along with the KWC Admission Counselor's contact information.
The Apollo Spirit Store is open daily from 8 to 3 p.m. If you would like to purchase an item from the Spirit Store, please call the school's office at 270-852-7100 to make an appointment. You may also email the AHS Spirit Store manager, Ms. Kim Myers, at kim.myers@davis.kyschools.us.
Please remember, if you have trouble with your device at home, you may contact our help desk at tech.help@davis.kyschools.us.
Breakfast and lunch are free for all DCPS students this semester. While we are on orange light status, Apollo High School students can pick up free meals on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays from 11:30 to 12:30 at the Gemini student drop-off and pickup area.
We want to wish the following co-curricular activities good luck as they participate in events this evening. The boys and girls golf teams as they continue to play in the City-County Golf Tournament at Windridge Country Club. The boys soccer team as they travel to play Ohio County, and the volleyball team as they host Davis County. Again, good luck to all, and thank you, and have a great day.
And September 15th, have a couple of reminders, but first I wanted to say yesterday, the first day of yellow light status, at least for K through 8, heard some good reports of how things went yesterday. And to be quite honest, I think there was a emotional reunion between staff and students at our K through 8 schools. And it's something that we look forward to here at Apollo. We're going to introduce a soft transition to yellow status just prior to fall break. We'll be sending that information out to our families. Mr. Robbins and the folks at Central Office sent something out to all parties yesterday, and I think it was also in the media. So be looking for that information, and we look forward to having more of our students here at Apollo. It sure is good to see our EL students coming through the building, and some of our hundreds students coming into the building day to day. So we look forward to that. Everybody, make sure that you are following the safety guidelines, wearing your mask, being sure to socially distance, and most importantly, wash your hands frequently and make sure that you do your best to maintain a germ-free environment. The two reminders for our staff: remember the staff medical training video that was sent by Nurse Laura Rhodes. We need for each member of our faculty and staff to view that video. It's a little bit less than 30 minutes. And it's important that we stay in tune with the latest on those guidelines. Stop by Lynn Ferguson's office after you've done that to make sure you sign indicating that you have watched the video. Also, a faculty meeting. This is a very important faculty meeting tomorrow afternoon, starting at 3:35 in the Commons area. We need all faculty to attend that meeting, and we will try our darndest to keep it less than 30 minutes and have everybody out by 4 o'clock. Please let me know if you are unable to attend because of a doctor's appointment or whatever. So just a reminder for that, we'll start promptly at 3:35. Then, birthdays today on this September 15th, Michaela Ferguson, May La, Paige Seyfried, and Cole Whitledge all celebrating a birthday. Let's make it a great day in Eagle Nation.
Please stand for the pledge. Attention, salute, pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.